Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to view your web browsing history on the Google Chrome web browser. I'll show you guys how to do that. You just need to open up Chrome, click on this three dot icon and select history. You can select history by clicking on this to open it, or you can also press in keyboard Ctrl plus H key to open history. Now in here you can able to see all your history listed over here guys, or you can also search a certain history you want to search for it, or you can delete certain history by check marking the website and click on delete option to delete history. Click on remove and your history appears here. So that's all you have to do it guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.